can fix this damage. Yeah, not even surgery can come and fix this damage. This damage. And it be hard to be the odds when you facing the red.
What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I'm back with another banger, man. Now this is gonna be something slight for now. I'm gonna be giving y'all a high quality rap vocal preset, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Run this video up to 200 likes if y'all want to see more dope videos like this, man. And let's get into this video.
I'm a bully, I'm a breaker. Lil' baby got some junk in her trunk, can you shake it? I done put some pipe in her life, she can't take it. Can see it in their eyes, yeah, they envy and they hating. You don't gotta ask if I brought it, bitch, I stay with it. And this is not a game, little bitch, don't play with it. Toting baby A in broad day, she get dangerous. You can't hang with us, where was you when we was taking risks? Alright, y'all, so excuse my background, but as y'all can hear, man, these are some high quality rap vocals. Shout out my boy Zeke for the beat, man. But yeah, I'm about to put y'all on the presets, so let's get into it. Now these is my golden presets. This is the golden preset 2.0, man. And what I got on there is I got a digicomp compressor, you feel me? The attack on 7 milliseconds, release 83 milliseconds, you feel me? Yeah, just copy this if you want to have rap vocals, man. This is the perfect compressor. But yeah, I also added that on with the equalizer, aka the EQ3M. Now I got my low, a little high, my mids, you know, just right in the middle, and then I got my high, a little high. Now, you know, the equalizer just pretty much uses equalizer vocals from the highs to the lows. It's really that simple. Now we got our studio reverb. Y'all probably ain't hear that much reverb. I got it real light on this vocal. But like, yeah, just, you know, throw a little light reverb on, nothing major, so, you know, it don't get in the way or, you know, sound annoying or anything. And then we got our filter echo. Same with this one. You probably ain't hear it that much, but there is a little echo in there, you know, to fill in the empty spots, you know. So, you know, just take your notes. If you don't want to copy it from the screen, I do have some presets in the description down below, man. So make sure y'all check those out. You know, if you need any more exclusive, top-notch presets, man, DM me on Instagram at CURTYYBO, man. But hey, back into the video. We got our noise gate on. You feel me? We got that threshold on a little high. We got our attack on 5 milliseconds and the release on 200 milliseconds. And then we got our graphic EQ on there, man. You know, nothing major, just balancing out them frequencies and whatnot. And then we got our D's are on there, you know, just something light, man, some light work for real, just to cut out all the you know, just all that extra stuff. And then we got our tech lab. Now I add this preset on last, and basically because like after I'm done mixing up my vocals, it kind of sounds low, but it's like low and clear. So what I use this preset for is kind of turn it up with it still sounding clear and not, you know, adding on a crashy noise. So yeah, it's really useful. Hey, look, baby, it's the bow, I'm a bully, I'm a breaker. Lil' baby got some junk in her trunk, can you shake it? I done put some pipe in her